ba bi mba nsam nketenkete dwumadi nsesa de na ohema me kwa homije mi kan se na ye ba be kam no fo ho asem esan se onyumtuni bi bo onyum bi o se be ma bi apema na be ma bi opo be bi anso pe no fo esan se no fo no na ye starter what you say because ye be start agro na ho na edi free ba na ye se ye miemia ne kakran na month October ya ye wo mu yi eye osumi a chese de asi ho a ye hwe breast cancer ho asem na ye maame Rebecca ahofe first lady ono so de nsa ahase a chese oboase e behwe ne atu saa ne manase na ene so me ye obe ya metie de ne so obe ma ho hia me pa sansa ya na ya so oba betena honom na se bibi ahohwe ahwe ye bi a wantumi anhwe nti na wabenya cancer anase nofo no na yare bia ba betom na se basa akrampa ebema anigi e wo fie no eso bete isan se ade yanka se tuatua hokro ye koye mra asem aba na yare besa ba betom na be ma ntimi sanso ne se ne fie ja na adum se kojo to enti ene ma tun safre mi nua ifa ba fuja mfi oye researcher na ono de oba mi fie ha nim se de na nim se ba bi ewu amame na ene uhu hia misu hia uye be ma abotra na setena fidie ho na tie nkomo enam ne researcher e ba bedi na sa uyiri ni ho a ana sa o girlfriend ni ho na wunua ba mpo ni ho a ade chia wanya bi na wo de abo no enti minua ifa ba fuja mfi ofie ha ifa ba fuja mfi mu adwo mu akwa ba nsam ketenkete dwumadi so
ya ena
asam na meka so ne me ya adwen be ma bi apenofo
me no ya adwene pa esan kra ya aduane
saa
e ma nkwada endi nofo ho to chima na ngura so ho azama bo mo
saa na obi nso se mema no pede ya tise kutuo nya de tise fufuo
tetimirem na se nofo de ye dan bego na ne ago no mpo na ya ye utimi dokoro no sambere no kama akesa nofo ho hia endi ne sisi wo ho yo nofo ne hia ne se usoma ahomeka wom wo de ase we dan bego editime se wo
wo yo ni nyina
yare ye pe ne kana na kese asumbi ni fie mema ahwefo nyina adwo na se me kese na otwimani anje papa bukum banku ayebo no me dey me support no
na support
me support bukum banku
okay
me pe na me ne Sonny Bedu
okay
reason is say bukum banku na ma boxing game na yede Ghana
okay
andumdwa no ene ma no yede na be kokohia akwano wo sirim ye be bu no rough
me krampo na me pesa me organize fight o me ni bukom banku e che me ka ho asem because I say my search training
ene me koye
why top for me dem say
me koye invitation card obituary
okay
ohima ye ma hwefo adwo
okay
on a more serious note breast cancer yare a abetiti nipa enkankane ye oman Ghana oba bie ni wakokram eto ne nofo na ni bagini wi aso oba sanse wani monyam pa oba wi wo ho a eka ho bi nofo wankasa kura yi ni pedua na ogina ahwe na hweze ne enema sisi wona woso esakoba wo hyekaba bobreze na de ade a e ma wodi mu
atu se nyankopon sa no adwuma efe
enti ehon to chima ayema yare wo wiase a ne ko edene eye cancer e ka ho bi mfa de yare nkran ne ene ye to wo list yare a ne ko ye dene pa e cancer na cancer ye preventable
okay
e yare etimi sia no o ya de wa kire mi se usua nwoma eye hwehwemu wiase mi nyina tu esi wo se bosome October bia no the whole world ye breast cancer awareness
okay
na ya na de ye me ha me kakra ne se yare bia oba bia free ba ye oman Ghana no moma ye nye bibi soronko nye da bia dawuro no ye na mom adekodia ema breast cancer eba no oman Ghana ho na ye nhwe titimire na say prevention is better than cure and then the prevention is a cure.
Okay.
Once you prevent, you have cured.
Okay.
Because breast cancer no hima aba since yan fam 2014. Now ma enam 1000 to 2002. And every year enya cancer. 6 year me no cancer o my Ghana over 2000 women every year.
And enya cancer.
Enya breast cancer.
Wow.
2000 almost 1006 ewu. Na atetia breast cancer de wo befa mu no enya bible ena nya konchene enya anointing oil e kawa account enti sabre so ya beba wa oba wasi so na ye ka nofo asa na wo se ye di achi a tena ho na kawa lekun ye den
yo doctor na we researcher ya I mean wo should ye nhwehwemu ekosho ne fariba ekwan ye fasoma ebe ne yen starting free honom wo say a free 2014 asa apaja ni mu akosoro
kwa na
ekosoro ebi obi hwame obi sase kwan be so na ede ba ama kwa na ekosoro kwan be so na ma obi tumnya breast cancer
me das ye wonema mienu
okay
ye frame bi the environmental enema ye kofa ba ye ho ene niema ye di me pa ma chaw nimdie de obi a obi so obi kasa breast cancer ye de wo a me susu hwehwe ma hwem che se enye no kra
ye mfa ngo
breast cancer is made enye duabo na ye hwe niema ye bobọ so a ema ne breast cancer age esamu no mo hwe mma mo tutu mu nipadua na mo wo chemical mienu a ewo mu nipadua mu ba ko ye estrogen ana ba ko ye progesterone
okay
estrogen ye bra abaya wasi so obebu nza no wo se sabre ne ya na wo de ye den asa wono fukura si so atentende sabre na ohia estrogen eduru bra obewo a ohia more progesterone ebe protect anyinsa ni ade makwa nti in stages eduru ba bi wa ohia ne kese nti oba kra ne estrogen edof no tambia na omo hips aya kese na ne kotoje ya ne ya symptoms ba ko no na ye wo natural one na nyame abo ye system na busumi bia bu nsa koba no eba na ye wo de ye kofa chemical de begu ye yema ema nipa yare ema manya cancer ba ko ni breast contraceptive family planning na ma no
wow
ho yenya kokodron kama yente ye ho ase na me coach upon research e kire say contraceptive and family planning na ye nom no e ka ho na ma manya ni breast cancer baby afiri no na se me breaking down chemical na ye de ye ana hormonal chemicals na ye de ye breast what do you call it contraceptive ni juma ebedi nyan say a chemical it come to fuel the estrogen na ya na scientific can say it makes the body to be full manipadua na say a gym say enyem se ba woni padua no ma na abema oba woni pasu na sesa se onyem enti wontimi ntukosua now chemical we ya onom se onyinse no is an accumulation dabia na ebobo no nti ebeduru baabi no na a form tumor breast cancer eye unwanted tumor ebe nipadua no ma eye ntiri bia nipadua no mpe nti enenam yemu na epe baabi a ho no ye soft na akoyi ne ho adi nti onya se nofo a se breast cancer se epie wo throat a se cancer of the throat se kopie wo wonso a se cancer of the colon sa na etie but ye kam ma ho asemi de enyina wo se nofo so eho na ne paba eho na ade ede wo eho na ade efe wo nti breast cancer so pa ade ede na kopie ho na ono oba nofo na eho na eden epro nti eye unwanted tumor e form within the breast na ya na yetake se yekutwa utwa na is not the solution because e better ye the say na nye that screen so no cancer cells no form na say na eti onipadua ne mo na adidia akofifiri oba no fum
wow
nti bo se ba na omonya no for breast cancer no eya kese say na eda ho yekutwa etie nti utwa na asia fifiri utwa na form all parts of the body apart from family planning no
okay
ya fra chemical ba kun bifo no ana BPA enkonkomunuane enuane a ye yagu kan food na ye yagu nkonkomunuane no eno so no e ma chemical no e ko so cancer
wow
ane me de cancer ba no heze ma bo family planning no
eno abo
nkonkomunuane afa ye ko nutrient nama yachi betaka
nama yachi
okay yamfa kokko nam se na ye komo o man Ghana ha o se ne breast breast cancer na beto so no se ne tumo no sa na chia kokko no ma se ne ho na se aye de ma wo chi aduane a ama ne ye dangerous no se o ye ta kese zigaret anya mani padua in fact wo chi aduane a amount of carcinogenic a form within the food no higher than your cigarette him and nnuane na hwe ene o man Ghana o what the competence na person e je duane e bia wade baako anabronya but ene every day almost
anopa wi anwumre
e kan kan ma kokko mono ma mo ho ofe so gunde seluwa da bia mo katrema chiwo na mo che The more moody you are near your chicken, that is you prepare yourself for breast cancer later in life. They are supposed to be a sugar. In fact, Yanam Taka microphone is a promote alcohol. Minyahu any scientific book or wakase alcohol yet. But excessive alcohol. Say your nombroso and they have nipadua. But sugar, any little amount of sugar is toxic, poison to human system.
Wow.
I think the pa Shankwada was a Nkwada city. They be on my dofu. Obama be man as of one for sugar intake also contribute to and near my mama and your breast cancer. I feel economic team. And yes, it's pastries. Yogurt a whole me will be what if amount of insecurity a medical and nipedium. The air who are manga and minimum yem shime. Some ma besia ma bane or kotoba nkua no to soft drink asifa. Combination of sugar and salt. And you know, oh, poison system no. And then now the occasion must be trow ye. But the homes sounds what as a bar. Baby, not a feel no. Into what says, I don't think he has a cancer on Gianna. Yes. Near ma make come once a me, and now by any 15 years, no more starting no contraceptive. Family planning and do now on me, and yeah, you man you. Was your could eat tomatoes. And we are fried rice. I go na my yachi. Wine.
Oditi.
And I want food in plastics. Now what you document the whole discussion. And we are near plastic. Yeah, the rubber, near chichi banku, cocoa, near the amount of chemicals not ye bay any pedu anymore. But the cancer if you never know. Now, Fayama, I have four enter the big crebias. Ya can say, one is great for public. Says the same right here. I didn't try. Yana ye walk around na ye hearing na ye bet me cancer.
Okay. And
until you say my name is great or public. Okay, so kona ye share rubber. The amount of chemical na every man had we see you know. But one more you nam hira ram. Sa chemical no hwe kokko ye that skin so. I say baby ni higher stuff shem no. Chemical na na no be say ye sichire. Do you see na wana ye soft. Na mrantie no sujafo mrantie no. Na sujafo mrantie no. No for kakra mpanum di binum kotokoko robem or for no ni so no for. How the that screen is one nom cocoa. This amount of chemical before no no about 60 no any back. Anna on one case about so tin tomatoes konko no chemical no be say wom tin tomatoes na nkasa no asichire wom dada.
Okay. And chinisu wom.
And chinisu wom and ya dia kanfra. Enti o hwe ye nuane ne oman Ghana kanka mamudia ni nyina koye nuane tin tomatoes na da ho no oyima enye ndozi o
na de
e starch
na de
enye ntozi starch na ya kanfra na sara pewope how ni wa yesi wo ko na ya ko kitchen wa lodu si wo ma hwe aduane wo se hwe wo de nam na ya che no fa compare cancer tumor na hwe ade
Essa dia we share next.
Sana uria eko your system no na eye kakra. Na afom. Na fe etiso mo a sausage Jesus Christ. Minim na se me call 37 area ho baby. Na won se te dey say ya na breast cancer ye eskafo yare no. Wo sika e ma cancer. Na se kire ne se ohimai unya sika o mo ya nkasa bibifro no unye sika niema ekun
ena
yedi ndi bra na cancer e sha ase ba no na nipa ese omo sika ndi kese cancer ye escafo yare of course abaya obola wo soro TV so o person no fo ye fe wakọ wo no ho mpa na enuro se na be ya ne to begina ho se na be ya no fo be ye fe e be ye fe later in life na breast cancer so mu na mema na ubo life no de eje ababa no ye pie wasi nchen ye be kwa kofa foforo na ohimai me nkasa se me bo meeting totroto what you say na ma me quote bibi wo ha na enkrofo ntiase wo ha o se taking a hormonal contraceptive for at least 5 years is associated with breast cancer published British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology.
Wow.
O se se obanum contraceptive at least 5 years and then mun timi nko one pan here.
Ye wo
6 years 10 years
ya de bi hye ye honam
ne wo behunu ni say breast ayi chemical ne hawa ne ma me nsa wo ne behu o pressure be kosoro hypertension be kosoro wo se na oba no wa ye kese
okay
man omonom family planning no omo ye kese afa ne bre ntwa ana se wonya mensisa bobobobo anase ejaiba we na kire say chemical no I start your cell system no ba
Ghana for na minua efa ba fu jamfi no ofi kolebu na oni me bon komo ofi anim sei na tesensem na o ka no ano odin yie pa esan se bebre ene family planning no ye no kanini ani no ani edi me ohima me di bi mi nyimi hu frame na mi twa me ho aba me ba me bie me ho ma no fo adwenche wa sem bisa ebra na ye monkomo na nsem no de se asefem na ahomete me ba sese ya Mema kwa ba bi mba nsam kitinkiti dwumadie so na enche me de me homa ne betu dwa na wa frɛ me anase me bie homa no wa frɛ me ne ahoma de bedi dwa de bedi dwumadie ne 0302 211 698 anase 99 0302 211 698 anase 99 WhatsApp messages ubetumi dia fa 0266 555 227 0266 555-227. Now wait me join you on Facebook and so Nsem Nketenkete on Adom TV and Nsem Nketenkete show or Facebook and also wait me follow me on Instagram or hima efiamansa or hima papa or hima no ofe. Na dwumade say when ije ho ana person wo asem bi sabi na person no hima edin enkomo ana nkita wo so a from me me number 0266 555 227 0266 555 227 na mahoma na enche mebie anaso de mebie ahoma no frɛ me na fo asem bisa ebrem na ye monkomo doctor
ye to aso silver mu aduane die
silver mu aduane die
silver aluminium silver
de ye twi ho no
thank you
okay
mini bia mko sue fie e ye dangerous oba betwi silver ho aso na de sigya so na nanom ni hwie kura na ho ayes tu na sigya so
na da sen
ye omutu ye wo de ye dade na nanom no mu nsu kukuo na say ye carry out ye hu silver dodo nipa ekoye nipa die hwade o so bi jeli nan a kan ko mom di silver na ade kina ye de e ma no wo kakra be 3 days now the magnet tuma na aluminium no nyina abatentare wo friends magnet no ho and na kira wo say aluminium silver na ye didi mu no amount of it ekoye nipa duam oh niama e ma ne cancer na bu no na yenam say manti we are limiting it to women
okay
afi hwe ani hanti akoto aduane kro ope rubber bone de akoje aduane enti wo hwe eniam na environment na ye kofa edie ba ni paduam ye chenni pa ye num is great
okay obi ofrefo di kan ba ho so hello
good evening
pacha odi ni baby afrefre
yes me Judith me first Madina.
Okay, Judith, was saying, Miss Anu, I didn't share anything.
Me person is this a doctor say. Hey, me take contraceptive no once in a while, no so.
Judith, was
contraceptive.
Me taking once in a while. No once in a while, and yet all the time they are.
Okay.
But time I me found some of me and the men so sir. Me take pain pan.
Okay.
But man far. Me okay.
Me pa chama ni na wa ware.
Me pa chama ware.
Okodi asore.
Me ko Roman.
Na onom ko Roman ni ba e betu asen. Roman de kra no taboo so be nom contraceptive. O ya we.
Mpa cha Davi.
Na on ware ya onom ye den.
Odi bieja. Judith Frey Dr. Beyiwa no why na obi from so hello Owusu. Hello. Okay, Owusu entumi enya homa ne so frɛ me na fo adwentra na wasemisa ebre mufia abran komotwetwe no ekomu no.
Adoma hwe o kan contraceptive ho asem. Family planning no. Science Daily 22nd January 2015.
Okay.
And a publish here. Tie or say amount na manum no contraceptive even once. Or say it has permanent damage in their system. Say obanum contraceptive na on my age or say the age between 15 and 49 years.
Okay. Hello, you're watching.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, what's in from me for you fa?
Me from Pipistia.
Yes, Nsem nketenkete ye tu ase. Ya wadwen sha na wasem bisa anything.
My name is Nsem. Na yeah, pure water no so na enye.
Oh, pure water the anka ye mfangu rubber more than 3 days. After 3 days they contaminated. When you no mo dwa line no. After 3 days no tia no na be se nsu na ye troka.
Na wo koto no bedam se di 3 days.
Ni ntira me num so okukuom. Me wo pot simfie. Apomdire nya de di atinyo. Wo ye de wo pe because it's so mu so mu. And the pure water after 3 days it becomes contaminated for human consumption.
Okay, hello Ebo.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening Ebo.
I'm Pacho member of my program.
Pacho was so crowded that one uncle.
I'm Pacho. Who says here na ebi mo kada edru mo ha manbu o mo issue se mira mo de poro mo no. Also say it me my effect.
Oh yes, breaching Emma cancer pa na no topic yankasa wo ho.
Okay.
That me boa Ghana man no mo use ni nyina no.
Okay.
Okay.
Ebo me da se ne wonso wasem bisa.
Dairy products. Milk nom.
Okay.
Ne em wansa na ye kanofo ho asem. Aponche wo aponche nom nofo me boa. Odwan nofo. Krama nofo. Jise ni papa na nom aboa nofo.
Na said okay. Me for chief. Hello chief.
Hello. Good evening. Ohima, we are one.
Ohima one, Ohima papa.
Ohima one.
Aye, chief mpacho free.
Mi pacho mi kasa free wija.
Okay.
Na mi pese mi mbise se bema no munumba no funo. E wo affect mo mwana.
Me dase.
Yes, nipa nufu na mbebi sa doctor say oba nso bantumi anum nyonko ba nufu ana.
Dabi, eye musuo oba ba no be ma nufu. Oh, many other question will be said.
I say,
and Kama Munim send a young no for Isi Boma, I think Kama Pami macho, the animal no for. Oh, yes, I saw permanent job because the more I may know no for no, not a month of estrogen abuano, a superfirm, Sansona be my son no for. Never was never.
Hello, Yabua.
Good evening, madam.
Good evening, something to Yabua, boy, near to us here.
They say, what about Tumura or what at what? With that,
okay.
I say Robert near white no. Say ni party as no in Pabonia. Owu an saman so yesaman bone. Say rubber, fufuo, tuntum, koko, ye nidi wom. Ni nyina ye petrochemical product. Color na e dia from a different color. Aye no bi say tuntumi na da bi anya no kre. Say you tuntumo, say koko, fufuo, wan yo.
The value is the same. Okay, doctor, ye gusu aye kan kwan ya fa so I say busumi mu aye wo mu ye hye breast cancer ho asem en na doctor aye kan say wo sam man ke pa me ma ne chew no mo fe ma yen ah they say be start up na mo de mo no ma yen na say no wo ka de nuane no de kofa. Okay, me director see obi wa ho so hello. If I told you maybe are free.
Okay.
If I told free if I would maybe are free.
If I'm Esther, can say for price.
Okay, Esther one uncle, I drink shall not say Miss Anything.
Can say for price.
Okay, my one uncle, I met Tonka.
Ah, my patrol, my family planning in me. A patrol me a family planning in.
Okay.
Me a family planning in.
Esther, one woman in the way.
Me 10 years.
Okay.
Hey!
Me 10 years, Jenny be but every month be a month. But every month be a my message never.
Esther,
every month be a message.
Doctor, be one woman no high. Am so we still move free TV ni so nti why cry. Okay, hello Richmond. Richmond free fa. Okay, Richmond wa dwin chan wa say misa ni say.
Person is doctor ni say, "This na me so you know." Person is say, we ni ma like 1 month to 5 months no. We need have sex and now we for being sex and I say when you for 4 months 5 months no. Any person need that. So
yeah, Richmond open no for pa. Hello, ya ba for.
Hello, Baba.
Yeah, free fa.
I can free of so Ashanti.
Okay, wa dwin chan wa say misa ni say ya o.
Ohima kaka me kenya ni say me born Dr. Basofa and you make media modiama on my concon gun.
Yeah, that's it.
And they make
okay. Richmond Frere was sister Obanyam 5 months, say 4 to 5 months. Now, no for an have sex.
Oh, say, no one be a kind of come.
No for no, so no more.
No for no dear, and I'm saying, oh, baby, here's a baby man, no for. Emma, here, in fact, Mumpaya chow. And the moose of baby didn't know for a dead here. What's the breast cancer, my honor? Srebe ma chow say me would have needed machine, Branabano, no for mammy. Now, also can near ma. Emma, in fact, a lower breast cancer. Or here I am, what of mine, no, send a cancer, no, say a month for a fool who say, and near my way, na sa a man, cancer number. Now yet the solution never because a threat to the nation, where's in your bar, penny.
Me cancer meet you.
San say a must say breast cancer, and near my way. And a man in your cancer. Now the solution go, of course, yeah. Me assure say and I said we will breast cancer be that. I feel or pepaya or befaswa. Obetimi, akio nephew, and I bet my shrink and won't draw. But me just be at what time no say my dear, Nankanda send there, who mounted up. I figure the solution now was not for we cancer and that's all.
Okay. Or baby frame me or say Esther say we will see what fat. Contraceptive no for 10 years.
I say what question?
What? Yes, for 10 years.
Didn't say you will be what 10 years.
Ebi wo hono me matibida 10 years.
Adia.
Enti sa nipa no, I mean.
Oh, sesi and also obiaya. O won sunsanso a onya bitiye ne ya bia ni subiri no.
Boso so menstruate.
Sesi and de nyen omunyina na benya na pe. Brebeba on cancer. Wo hunu ntem kra no 10 to 20 years.
Okay.
What cancer and tem crown no? 10 to 20 years. Like I say, a show one to me fin kwadamu. Na se obaye contraceptive no sa nu na. Nsunsanso no kwani maso. Onyema. Of course.
Okay.
Wanyema wie no akwada no da uyam no afra wo moja. Ono fusuo no obenu bi later in life wo hu ne be yase akwada ayawo akwada bi mfie mienza. Onya cancer.
Wow.
And then a doctor be nim and a researcher be nim now see oh so ma me anya bidia any also be is made and you're born
na mpacho me bo obanya cancer ni bia etumi sai e bia ne ho kenya na be ma one ne
entimi nsa eye moja mu yare enti se enye virus
okay
eye ntinya anyina form
okay
ndi so obi anya breast cancer ma ye nsuro ye mon he say eh obi na dia bondua or the best cancer nya yare betima sra na ya na ye ta kan wo abusuan mu no ma me bi ne ma ba me ho ne ma me anya bi e na ne nua no mienu anya bi asekire na ma ne nya ne se ma me na tete nkwada ne nyina se de wudi wo de hwe ne ma ye kan of course e ma ne bebre kura abra bombo no mu bo free mu ma me no ho enti me se da bi abi sa ma ware oba me be waro first criteria question bi sa say why contraceptive da why bi da na ma cancel wudi no sanso no ba I'm saying so did mammy no man and man so then asiano ndubon se obeni na wonya breast cancer no na ne ma o ma no so biswanya bi
okay
anu na wini mas oh ye dey fie dey breast cancer we moja mu
ene Ghana for yemre no na otwese na ye be san to topic we so esan sensem bebre ho no mo emre na amwaye e wo se etumi etoa so na ye hu se kwan ya ye be fa so na yesia no esan so ka se cancer no etumi sia no doctor we dey yemre na yemre wasem sima ba akopɛ
ene asem kan ne se dasene kwan ya ye be fa so obi anya breast cancer na omohu ye be kyerɛkyerɛ na noa nkasa etimi afiri ho me che DK Ampofu Farms e wo Domahin Kro Poultry
na miam di dwuma de ncham di ohima afia mansa na kwasia da 29 fi ohima ye me birthday me birthday enti adofo nyina mo fra me 0266 555227 na mo fa me gift no emfa me peni boyi unim sese so a enfra me omo me me makeup ma me elegance house of beauty matter there Selena's clothing me makeup yes elegance na miti Miss V beauty salon ono ye miti ma me na omo amodom ye ehwe ye adofo a mo jemre na mo tena adwumadie hu ene abesi sabre me ma mo ni hwe adehye adomdom ye adasene ye besan hia yakram